Good morning, all medicos. Today's our MCQs are on topic protein metabolism from biochemistry. If you are preparing for best and want to strong your basics, then subscribe our next MCQ channel and grow with us. Question number 1. Transfer of an amino group from an amino acid to an alpha keto acid is done by option A transaminase, B transketolase, C aminase, D decarboxylase. The correct answer is option A transaminase. Transaminases transfer an amino group from L amino acid to alpha keto acid. Question number 2. Transaminases of pyruvate with glutamate produce option A oxaloacetate and aspartate, option B alanine and aspartate, option C oxaloacetate and alpha ketoglutarate, option D alanine and alpha ketoglutarate. The correct answer is D alanine and alpha ketoglutarate. Transamination of pyruvate and glutamic acid leads to formation of alanine and alpha ketoglutarate. Question number 3. The source of ammonia in urine is option A glutaminase, option B urease, option C glutamate dehydrogenase, D arginase. The correct answer is option A glutaminase. In renal tubular cells, ammonia is produced by hydrolysis of glutamine by enzyme glutaminase. Question number 4. Vitamin B12 act as a coenzyme to which one of the following enzyme? Option A isocitrate dehydrogenase, B homocysteine methyltransferase, C glycogen synthase, D glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. The correct answer is B homocysteine methyltransferase. Vitamin B12 is required as a coenzyme to homocysteine methyltransferase involved in the synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Question number 5. Which end product of citric acid cycle is used in detoxification of ammonia in brain? Option A oxaloacetate, B alpha ketoglutarate, C succinate, D citrate. The correct answer is B alpha ketoglutarate. Glutamine is the sole form of transport of ammonia in brain. Glutamine is an amide of glutamic acid which is formed from alpha ketoglutarate. So, alpha ketoglutarate is used in detoxification of ammonia in brain. Question number 6. Guanidoacetic acid is formed in and from option A kidney arginine plus glycine, option B liver methionine plus glycine, C liver cysteine plus arginine, D muscle citrulline plus aspartate. The correct answer is A kidney. Guanidoacetic acid is formed in kidney and from arginine and glycine. Question number 7. All of the following amino acids are converted to succinyl coenzyme A except option A methionine, B isoleucine, C valine, D histidine. The correct answer is D histidine. Methionine, valine, isoleucine and threonine are the 4 amino acids that form succinyl coenzyme A. Histidine form alpha ketoglutarate, not succinyl coenzyme A. Question number 8. Most basic amino acid out of the following is option A alanine, B arginine, C histidine, D lysine. The correct answer is B arginine. Basic amino acids are arginine most basic, lysine and histidine. Histidine is weakly basic. Question number 9. Non-essential amino acid is option A tyrosine, B phenylalanine, C lysine, D threonine. The correct answer is A tyrosine. Threonine, lysine, phenylalanine, methionine, isoleucine, leucine, tryptophan, valine, histidine, arginine are nutritionally essential amino acid. Last two are semi-essential. Trick for essential amino acid TV-Mill path. Question number 10. Amino acid involved in 1 carbon metabolism. Option A folic acid, B glycine, C thiamine, D pyridoxine. The correct answer is A folic acid. Tetrahydrofolic acid and S-adenosyl methionine act as a carrier compound for single carbon. Question number 11. In glutathione, which amino acid is reducing agent? Option A glutamic acid, B glycine, C. Cysteine, D. Alanine. The correct answer is C. Cysteine. Glutathione acts as a reducing agent in body and its cysteine residue is responsible for its reducing property. Glutathione is a tripeptide of 3 amino acid. What is the trick? This is G. Glycine, cysteine and glutamate. Then the cysteine is responsible for its reducing property. Question number 12. In Maple syrup urine disease, amino acid excreted in urine are option A. Leucine, B. Isoleucine, C. Valine, D. All. The correct answer is D. All. Maple syrup urine disease, also called burnt sugar urine disease or branched chain ketonuria. It is due to defective oxidative decarboxylation of leucine, isoleucine and valine. It occurs due to deficiency of branched chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase. Thanks for watching and reach the end of the video. If you want more videos on MCQs with explanation on MBBS topics for preparing next NEET PG or FMG, you should subscribe and like our video. You should subscribe our channel Next MCQ, and if you like our work, then put a like for this video and put your suggestions in the comment section, and please share with your friends.